Attention Rowe families.
On Monday, May 2nd, 2022, the Milwaukie High School boys basketball team will be hosting a bowling fundraiser. Come on out to Milwaukie Bowl on Monday from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. The cost to bowl is $10.
The proceeds will go to the basketball program as they will pay for the summer league tournaments and for resources for next year's basketball season.
If you're an 8th grader and hope to play basketball next year at MHS, this is an opportunity for you to meet your coaches. So for $10, come out from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. to bowl at Milwaukie Bowl to help out the Mustang boys basketball squads.
Don't end up in the gutter. Come on and strike it up with us.